Now we can talk. Okay, so remember how we would start off as fam or something? You would say that, right? Yeah, I will. So Trevor. No, I'm not Trevor. James. Oh, I'll call you James. Well, I want to say, you know what? You know what? I would start off. Yes. So you know what? People don't know. How cute. As it was, it would start off with those two people sleeping on their backs. If I want to take a nap or something, no. No, okay. So then you would. So, you know what? Because I gotta go, guys. Oh man. Ah! I'm stuck in the freaking tire! You should not run away. Just, it's not funny, bro. You. Okay, I gotta go, guys. Nope. Where the hell do you think you're going, bro? I really have to go. Man, he was a good man. He was. So we're still talking. Yeah, well, remember how when we would start off as a family, and we would do something to make it right. Well, yeah, why? Why wouldn't we? That's how we sold our reality firm. Huh. Well, we did not do that. What do you mean we didn't? I'm just saying we did not sell that thing. We didn't sold it. We didn't sold it. Someone else did. Oh, okay. Well, why did that happen though? Just tell me why. Well, the reason why I told you that is because I still have to go. What the frick? Alright, whatever. We're still talking. So you know how whatever other things happen, they just literally go away. So whatever it means. Because whatever it could mean something. All these days, man. Wow. It would have been started off as a family. Oh look, it's Tracy DeSanto. Okay, what is she doing here? I don't know. She wants to join our group? It's fine, she can. So, how's it going, Tracy? Good. And you, of course, on the other hand. If I could do anything to Evan, I probably would have drowned him as soon as we made that fall. Well, it's whatever. I don't even think the real challenge is going to be going up against CT right now. I think the real challenge is going to be me keeping my cool on the same team as Evan. Well, it's somehow the nicest way when others feel it too. Oh, look, see? Right. That's why it would start off as that. What did you do back then, James? You know what I did? Yeah, I want to know what you did, James. Well, I would, I would start off with my life. I'll tell you the whole thing. Really? Yeah. Okay. So, what do you want to tell me? The reason why I'm telling you is, remember the one time I went to the supermarket and got a couple of things, and then I came home and I saw somebody taking out my food, and I would have been hungry. Well, I still had one thing left, was my sandwich. So I ate it up, and I continued on with my life. You ate a sandwich, Trevor? James? Yeah, I did. How was it? It was great. I love sandwiches. I should make one of them next time when somebody tries to rob my house. What would you do? I would just shoot him in the head and take all my food back and put it in the fridge. Wow, that's interesting, James. Yes, it was. Well, how would you know that, James? The reason why I know that is because when other things, disappear, they appear back. Oh, so you're trying to tell me that you're not a fear of things. No, I would never been. Well, you know, because sometimes it goes a little right. Super. Yeah, it would start off as that. So when other things go right. Because whatever things literally goes, it would. So you know how that's what it goes with it. Literally, yes. Because it's the way it should be. Well, I remember one time my birthday was on the 6th, 16th, whatever, and all my friends came. Mason came. Kate came. Everybody came. That's a lot. How many people that came to your party? Yeah, it was fun. I bet it was. Because you love parties. I do. And sometimes they're perfect. Perfect as it is. Yeah, it was good. I love parties. Because whenever it goes by somehow. Because whenever they would start it off. Wow, I'm shocked that you did that. Right? Yeah. Why? I just want to know why. Okay. It's a little surprising. Yeah, I bet it was. Sorry guys, I gotta take a nap. Alright. How long are you gonna do your nap? 3 hours. 3H? Yep, 3 hours. I knew you would go to sleep for 3 hours.
One main reason I chose Uncommon Schools is because that educational experience is not just
You do?
quality education, but at the end, they also want them to be good humans, and I was all for it. This is for me. I'm a mother of 4 and a practicing nurse who chose Coast University to earn a master's degree in nursing education. I never knew one course could change my entire future. And it changed the impact I can make on my family, my community, and the field of nursing.
You'll find it, then don't worry about it.
Need the tablet.
Here, put this away. It's a little easy if it wasn't for that.
I'm your overly competitive brother.
I saw y'all sleep in the chair if I want.
Yeah, what up?
So you know how it can start off as that. Has it always been that way?
Very good.
Things that fell out of it. We should have 2 brownies and 2 Twinkies. You're missing one. Did you eat? How many Twinkies did you eat?
Go ahead.
Because maybe better off. It can start. You're welcome. Well, it can start on later on. So that's why it should be that way. That's a little bit of a search. Well, that's how it would start. Because of whatever it could be, and that's what it would be. that's what they should have been done sooner. Well, that's how it's supposed to be. Well, you know what? And you know how it could be if it wasn't for the slowest moments.
Got it? Alright.
I would never hook up with her. She's too good for me. I wouldn't do that. Too good. Because I'm a bad boy.
Yeah.
I'm bad than you. You're not like it. I'm
Yeah.
better than you, bro. And you do. And I'm a bad boy. You know that. You dirty, you know my So don't try to make me look bad to other girls, bro. That's a cheap tactic.
She's hot to trot because she's a foxy hottie.
Eh.